You spend 20 minutes perfecting one Instagram caption, so clearly you're good at writing. Whether it's captions, it's blogs, or scripts, so why not get paid for it? If you're looking for content writing jobs or internships, here's exactly how to find them. Go to Unstock and head to the internship section. Then, in the search bar, type content writing or simply use the domain filter content to choose content related roles. You can narrow down your search further by choosing different filters. So, you can use the type filter to choose work from home or in office roles, your location, your experience level. You can also use the quick apply filter, and just like that, you'll see content writing opportunities from verified organizations, from vlog writing and social media content to copywriting and script writing. There are real roles looking for your skills. So if you've been writing for fun, maybe it's time to start writing professionally and turn your words into work. Go to Unstock and find the perfect opportunity for you.